It's your mother. Guess what? Your mother is not good at guessing. But the way your face is filled with smile, I'm sure you came back with good news. Mama, this is going to be the best and biggest news you will ever hear. Explode with my daughter. Because you're forcing my enemies to explode with desperation. You can have him and say, what more can I say? Mama, I've gotten admission to study accounting at the cooperative college. Mama. Mama? Hey, accounting, Mama. Your daughter is your mama. I'm going to be the first accountant in this kindred. Hey! The only thing remaining is just for me to pay for 5,000 acceptance fee. Hey! Mama, what is it? It's your mom. Did you say it's how much? But 5,000 is, Mama. Look at it now. See it. Oh. 45,000 naira. It's 45,000 naira, Mama. We do people that study medicine, they are paying 500,000 naira. Only just 45,000 naira. Mama, I can't pay. It's okay, Mama. Mama, what is it? Mama. Mama. Can you believe that? After all the advances I've made towards Buchi and the support I gave to his father, he still cannot look at me. Rather, he's with that poor wretched Isioma.
Ebi, you know you are my friend. Don't worry. I will tell you what to be doing until Buchi becomes yours. Yes, he is the finest boy in this village. And for that, he belongs to a classy girl like you.
Exactly.
The daughter of the most influential man in this village. Not that poor wretched thing called Isioma.
Anyway, that's why you're my best friend. With Buchi as my husband, my life is complete too. You'd rather be mine.
Yeah?
What happened?
Now I have to struggle to keep her alive. She experiment is over.
Why?
I'm asking why. I know. She has no girlfriend. My uncle will be destroying me. Who is going to train me in school?
Oh, all I know is you will go to school. Just believe me.
But you don't understand. The fee is 1,000 per semester. I have 3 semesters, which is 135,000. And the course runs for 3 years, which will be 405,000 naira. What magic? Which miracle? How can it happen? She will train me. How can I pay for 1 semester, not to talk of 3 semesters, and for 3 years? My love,
How can you just have faith? There must be a way. They won't let this admission slip by, okay? You will go to school. Just have faith. Just what matters now is to take care of her, not her back to health. You go. Tell the addition. Uchi, you are telling lies. You are telling lies. Listen, my boy. I, your father, Amakene Woshwele, will never be alive to see you spend the money that is made for your teacher's training college on Isioma. Yes, that girl has nothing to offer to this family at all. Your mother today is in America enjoying her omobo because I trained your sister Nkechi as a nurse and she found a man, an educated man who lives abroad. Listen, my son, you better desist from associating yourself with that rotten family because they have nothing to breed but ill luck and misfortune. You talk as though you don't know how far Isioma and I have come. It is still death to us part 2. I don't care to know. Maybe you will have to use your urine. Take care of her. Because I am not ready to give you any father. I know I don't have money, but Isioma, my love, must go to school. That is what I've determined. She must go to school. Listen to me. If you are not ready to go to the teacher's training college because of Isioma, then let it be. Let it be! I say let it be! Papa, you cannot abandon your son. You cannot let me be wallowing. I will not marry the person I want to marry. Wallow. Wallow, Wallow. Wallow.
Where is that boy, the manager? Sabi?
Yes.
Where is that idiot that you call my manager? How much does you make it that last supply there?
1,650,000, sir.
1,650,000.
Yes, sir.
That is too small. Did you sell houses?
No, sir, we don't sold houses.
You does not sell houses.
Yes, sir.
Why? Sabi?
Yes.
Tell me that idiot that is repair houses.
They are here.
Why you does not make houses?
Sir, the supplier is left home.
Supply there for market. They are supplying supplying in our charger market. Even in bar market, you get it supply. Why it does not supply market here?
Sir, those people, their fishes are very small.
Very small. Make sure next Friday you sell out this and give me 2 million and above.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sabi?
Chief.
Go back this motor vehicle. I does not like motor vehicle back here.
Let me go and look for the man there.
Do his bidding and go to Titi's.
without you. We are like the eyes and the nose. They can't exist without each other. I will do everything possible to make sure you attain
You don't walk, neither do I. Depend on our parents for their love.
I will strive. I will do all sorts of job. I will do whatever job it takes to make sure you come back close to me.
Just and you've been talking about 45,000 naira to cover 15 million.
Touch me for I am Apakene Mush. How are you, my daughters?
Yeah, very fine.
Very good, very good. As you can see, I am rushing to Kotra. Having plenty here and I have to meet up.
I make you very delicious breakfast. I was even on my way to your house to do it.
Hey! Hey! Pepper soup!
Very delicious.
Pepper soup! You have always been doing this in the absence of my wife. I appreciate it. Listen to me, you are not just a daughter. You are already our wife. So, how is your father, Uche Namwekeme?
He's very fine, Unai. He's very fine.
Oh, a very good man. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Send me word to your father and you. Have a good Christmas.
You don't have to thank her. Like you said, she is your daughter-in-law. So if she doesn't take care of you, who will?
So please let me rush down.
Papa, take care of yourself.
Okay, thank you very much.
Enjoy the food, eh?
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Greet your father. Hey.
You know, that is the development as it is now. Chifokanga is the only solution, the way things are now. He will help you send her to the cooperative college. He will also help you defray your remaining debts. And possibly set up a business for you.
Nana, the offer is so tempting.
I know.
But the problem here is Buchi.
What Buchi? What Buchi? Huh? Will Buchi train her? Will Buchi revive your ailing health? Or will Buchi help you pay off your debts? Or will Buchi set up business for you? Think well, woman. Think well.
Nan, but they're in love.
Ikpirikpogo. Unknown. No problem. Therefore, let love train her in school for you. That money I borrowed you, plus the one I am going to pay to Mosisi for treating you, all of them come to... Wait, let me come. They all come to 14,600. So please, tell love to bring me the money as soon as possible. Otherwise, you will not get a single farthing from me again.
No, Nani, it hasn't got into that, Nani.
Tell love to come and pay me, oh!
Nani, please now. Please, Please, it hasn't gotten to that, Nani. Nani, you're my last hope. What do you expect me to do now? Nani,
my good friend, you know we have been good friends long ago. I have paid 100,000 naira for pigs already.
I know.
What I'm begging for is just for you to remove some money from this talking.
No, my good friend, no. Look at these fat talkers. Can't you see them? No. Add something, please. Add something. Petrol has added money. You didn't hear it? Add something.
Do you still feed your turkey and your pigs with fuel?
Oh, you don't know.
Our people with fuel.
My chicken, my pigs, all of them drink.
Exactly. You must have a special one. Can I have it? Let me go and get the bag.
You have tried. Too much. Okay.
There's something you're not serious. Come.
What is it? What is it about?
My father.
I saw someone beating your father.
Where?
But there's no need for question. Because if you don't hurry down to that place, you might meet your father there. The man now. If you don't hurry up to that place now, you get meeting Maggie there.
Hey! My love.
Please stay here. Let me just know what's going on, okay? Let me take care of it.
I'm coming with you.
No, you don't have to. I'll be back as soon as possible. Let me just go know what's wrong, okay? Wait for me. Now.
Chiro, help! Hey! You want to trade where queens dwell, okay? What does that mean? You're asking me what does that mean? I mean go look for a papa like you and stop lurking around the man after my heart. Chimo! Wait. Chalokwa, don't tell me that this is your plan to scuttle our quiet, lovely moment.
It is also to warn you. Because if you don't stay clear from Buchi, I get any Nando. Tolo.
How mischievous how mischievous can both of you be? Buchi! Run! Hey! Exactly, baby, you are doing well!
So I told him, what you see, my baby, be my wife.
Yes, Chief. If you do exactly what I'm asked you to do.
Catch is not my problems. When Catch sees me, Catch don't come to me for me to spend in it. You see this place? It's my joint. Every Friday, big peoples will be full to this place, spending cash. My cash. Sabi?
Yes, Chief.
Bring me 50,000.
Okay, Chief.
This is 50,000. 9,000 on top of it. Soya Okada. When I receive telephone of this young my baby, calling me Grand to say thank you, no mention. I will send Sabi a permanent secretary. Come with 50, 100,000. Other amateur talam.
Thank you, Kanga.
I did check before I collected my money back.
Thank you, Chief Okanga. Thank you.
I'll be my permanent secretary. I take this money. Book expenses number 4.
That very girl is crazy. Don't worry, I know how to deal with her.
My love, whatever that stupid girl is up to, she'll have to kill me to have you. In fact, she'll have to bury me. Because I'll fight her from the spirit.
Nobody's going to. You and I know that our love is deeply rooted where no one can ever uproot it. Now that I know her better, you know you're very well.
Of course. I did not say anything. Did you say anything? Next stage now is to go to his house, kneel and apologize to him. Beg him. Act like a broken girl. Cry. Shed crocodile tears. If you don't know how to cry, go to Mama Emeka's shop and buy rope. Use it on your eyes so that you can bring out tears. Do you understand? Make his father believe that what you saw was what looked like his motorcycle. That you only acted out of care. Because of the love you have for his family. Do it very well. Cry. They will believe you.
Okay, but you sure this will work?
Trust me now. I am your special advisor and you know. Trust me, it will work.
No problem, I will try it. When we are together, I'll see how that can work.
They are being together, just sit down with me. I will make sure I monitor each and every of their movement to give you feedback when they are together.
Okay, let's go. Thank you very much. I will try it. I will make sure I monitor the great work.
You must get Buchi.
Because I want Buchi.
Man, that was why I came. To tell you to go on with the arrangement with Chief Okanga. Because I can see that he is the only way out of this, my poverty and the debt.
Oh.
As for my daughter, I will talk to her as soon as she comes back, so that she will see reasons with me.
You know, I was supposed to come to your house before you came. I met Chief Okanga when I left your house.
What's again?
This is 45,000.
There you go.
He gave me money for her school. This money didn't come just like that. He came with a series of slaps and insults. Don't worry. One day you will understand. Anyway, you can see there's a piece of paper on this money. That's his phone number. He said that if Isioma can call that number and acknowledge this money, that he will send us 100,000.
Hey, wait. 100 again.
100,000 naira.
Hey! Okay, it is a kid of she will call him. Chapali. She will call immediately. Do you know that immediately you left my house, Wanima came to my house, harassing me. No bomb harassment.
Like any mess.
And you go 1,500.
That matter is over.
Oh, Bego, no, I hear Bego.
You're different. We need to tell Isioma. This is where Eba ki ife na-eme.
Mba onwere option. Onwe option ya.
Anaghị agwụ ya ozugbo ozugbo.
Mba na onwere option.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Kwa ka na-enyere ụmụ ogbenye aka. O webụla ife kwuru ka a na-eme owe atọ na nkịtị owo. Chief GC ọkwadike. Ome nke afụrụ n'anya Unforeseen ndị bara ọgaranya na nwa. A na-ekwu na nkịtị owo. I remember something now. I remember something. This one, what did you see? Have not called to say thank you, no mention. Hope everything is all right. Sabi?
Chief.
Give me my telephone.
Which one of them?
Nokia to Nokia.
Hello?
Hey. This one is your man. I have not called to say thank you, no mention. I hope everything is all right.
Chief, you know, I told you she traveled to Haikunne people. Hey, I should be coming back today or tomorrow or maybe even next tomorrow.
You see? When I am giving you 50,000, you didn't told me that his young man will be traveling to Villa Ikunne. Eh? And you didn't even know when she will be coming back.
Chief, see, I know I have told you that she travel out. But once she come back immediately, I will give her your number and she will call you.
Okay. Well, I will wait. I will wait even tomorrow. Good afternoon. I will even wait tonight. But if I does not get a call, I will come with a phone and we will close the account. You balance me my money.
It's all right, Chief. He has not got to that yet. Chief, no problem. No problem. Bye-bye, Chief.
Bye-bye, no problem. And Clifford, this one, my Canary agent, has not a call.
Clearing agent, sir.
Sorry, Clifford. Sorry, I was talking to my permanent secretary, Sabina. This one, my Canary agent, I have not a call. I hope everything is all right. You see, people are waiting for the good in the market. To sell the good and sell the market. Yes. Why? Why is that? Oh, bring my good. People want to sell the market. Okay, all right, yo.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine. Papa, we have brought these things to prepare food for you.
For me?
Yes.
Oh, you mean you went to the market to buy these items? And even chicken to prepare special meal for me?
Yes, Papa. You know, I've loved this family with all my heart. And you especially. You know, my father speaks highly of you. Uchi has grown very fond of me, just that he has refused to tell me his mind. So I decided to take it upon myself to take care of you and Buchi. So that when Mama returns, she will know that I'm doing a good job for you.
Oh, and you are really doing a good job. Hey,
Papa.
Listen, Alichi, you have won my heart. You have won my heart. You have done so much, so much that I want to tell you that you have all the chances to end up in this house as my daughter-in-law.
Serious, Papa?
Yes! Yes! I, Apakene, love progress. Your father is a progressive man, and I can see the progressive spirit in you.
Papa.
So do not worry, eh? My son must be made to see the progress and key into it. Don't worry. He will be made to marry you. He must marry you. No other girl. Eh? Hey! Oh, very lovely. I like that.
Hey, Papa, let's go inside. I'm preparing for you.
Okay.
Good night.
Yes, ma'am.
You know that Buchi is no longer a boy. He is now a man. So it's not something you force on him. No.
My advice.
No. I am going to force him to, and he must do it. Yes. Go inside and do your cooking. You are
Bring the
welcome.
pot. Let me keep this one.
Okay.
Mama, welcome.
Wow, Papa. I like progress. I associate with progress. Why not go and get spoon? What are you going to eat? Who is this? Where are you from? What is your problem? Eh? What is your problem? Why you were there wasting away your time? Turning for that useless girl, that non-entity. Why these ones are here? They came and they prepared this delicious meal with a very big fowl. White one at that. They prepared this delicious meal for that. To enjoy himself. Shouting, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? Eh? And will you tell me you didn't see this guy here? The girl that is supposed to be your wife?
Papa, these girls are a bundle of mischief.
Huh?
They told me the other night that somebody was beating you up mercilessly. And I ran there like a madman, only to discover it was a lie.
Papa, it's a lie, yo.
I know it's a lie.
It's a
I know.
big lie. Papa, I saw some people plotting against you to come and fight you. And I decided to take it upon myself to go and tell him that some people are plotting to come and fight you. Papa, is it a bad thing?
There is nothing wrong, my daughter. You have never told lies since I knew you. You have never. You are the one that has come to tell lies here.
Papa, you take her words against mine.
Why not? Why not? You have been a liar and I know you.
Okay.
Anna, are you mad? It's okay. Give back. Come inside. Stupid boy. He doesn't even want to understand. If you are hungry, why not come and join me here?
Oh my
Okay. I will never mind. Listen, you are the owner of this house.
Thank you, Papa.
No other woman will come in. From what you have just done, you are a good girl.
Don't worry, eat your food, eh?
Isioma, make sure you finish it. That is if you go to the kitchen. My wife wanted to give you to Agwama, the woman that used to do it before. But because of the way you paid, I gave it to you. Let me go to my store.
I promise I will deliver.
When you are done, keep it at the back.
No way, because it's not my own. I can't take it.
Please now. Chinelo, please give me some time. If not because of my ill health, I would have paid you this money.
No, please. You know I borrowed that money from the church.
Okay.
Oh yes, I borrowed it from the church. I had to give you because of your condition. And on Sunday, I am going to pay back. Otherwise, they will announce to the church that I embezzled their money.
Hey!
Please!
Please, Chinelo,
No, please. I don't want it. I need that money. I need it, please.
Please. Please, please, now give me some time. Hey! Hey!
Hello.
I went hunting with Dinta all night, but I was able to get just a small squirrel I sold for 800 naira. And then I went early this morning to clear my associates back. I still have one more farmland to clear. I'll do anything. I have to be on my way now. They're waiting for me so I don't miss my pay. I can make my pay.
Same here. I have to deliver this, then go to one worker's home to you.
Please let's meet later in the evening at our usual spot.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
Don't you think it will become an object of ridicule and soil to your name if you fail to assist his son? Yes, you can give him the money and tell him that will be the last time he will do such. The fox must be chased away first and then run the end against wandering in the bush.
Okafor, my friend. I quite understand what you mean. But the truth is that I am not ready to raise Buchi like that. I am not. If he needs the role of him, I think that is the best thing for him. Then let him suffer it himself. Yes. Listen, There are many girls. Many girls from very rich family, good family, with disability that he should run after. And not that miserable family. No! No!
Anyway, I'm just concerned about what our people will say. Yes, I'm just concerned about what our people will say. Before they start insulting you, that yet you have the money. And you allow your son to be washing their faces.
Listen, let people say whatever they want to say. This is my family. And I know how to manage my family. Let them say whatever they want to say.
But then, think about it. Think about it. Yes, 2008. If we add it to the 2004 biggest system we have, 5,000, we still have a long way to go. Hi.
I think we should leave this admission and school pressure. Look at what you've become in just 2 days. 2 days. You're no longer looking like my Uchi Kempo, Okulonka, the envy of all the girls in this village. Please, I can use that 5,000 to start trading or something. Because we have just 4 days to go. How can we? Just 4 days.
No. They will push you to the rich man if I fail. Not only do we need to pay your fees, we need to offset your mother's debts. Did you get it? I have to live up to the man I am. Don't worry about that. Just go. I'll see you
Sabina.
Yes, Chief.
Give me my telephone Samsung.
Which one is Samsung?
That big one, I bought 72,000.
My sweetheart, all the loving, only I took him on your
Hello?
Yeah, I'm working here. Where is he seeing what telephone calling on my catch?
Ah, Chief. I'm sorry, she traveled. She traveled. When she comes back, I will tell her.
Let me tell you, this one, the business I have not started, and I'm already seeing rat.
Smelling rats, Chief.
Thank you for correction. Yes, I am smelling rat. I hope it is not a wayo business.
Chief, please. My daughter is not a business. I have told you that she traveled outside. Once she comes in, Chief, I will give her your number and she will call you.
Okay. Sabi?
Yes, Chief.
Take 2,000 for collection in me like English.
Thank you, Chief.
Take your good and your evil and give me all the money that I gave you on behalf of the chief and give me all the money you're also owing me.
Man, calm down. It's not my fault. I've been forcing Isioma here to call Chief on phone. And she said no, she refused. That instead of leaving Buchi, that she would rather die. Ask her, she's here.
Look, is it true? I asked you a question.
Yes, ma'am.
May Amadio Honso to bend your mouth there for you. I don't blame you. Anyway, this is the last time you're going to see me in this store. And let me tell you, if any of you comes to my house to beg for anything, I will have your legs cut off. All I want for you, you got 45,000 now and go and die your easy. My 45,000. What? What are you doing this one for?
Mama, not again, please. Uncle, come. Mama, please.
What else to do? I have just today and tomorrow to pay up the money. I know you have your way with these things, please. Just tell me if there's any way you know I could go borrow money. I promise to pay with any interest.
Well, the only place you can get money right now is at the shrine of Okoto.
What?
Yes. And failure to pay him at the agreed time and with the agreed interest, that means death.
Hey!
45,000 is a very small money to him. If you agree, we just go there.
Hey!
I borrowed you 200,000 to pay me 300,000 in a year, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Now, the trees and the birds bear me witness that if he fails to return my money in 1 year, whatever action I take to recover my money, I will be justified. The trees and the birds bear me witness.
Hey, this girl. What are you doing there? Huh?
I'm tired. Please let me rest more.
Was he tired? Was he rest? See, you came to me pleading for this work. I gave you this work. Look at that man over there. He has been working for me for 2 years on different sites.
Okay, engineer, it's not Chazzy work.
Let
me rest more, please.
Hello, come, let's go.
Come, go where?
Osia, it's important. We have to leave here now.
Osigo, see, if you leave here, no pay for you.
You can keep the pay.
Keep the pay, come. Let's do this. Come, just come. Come. So,
you mean when your man told you that Buchi paid up her school fees and even paid the debt that Olungwa is owing? Is that what you're telling me?
Naija, I heard it from a reliable source.
Where did he get such?
Naija, with the kind of love he has for her, maybe she pushed him to stay. That's the only way.
No. I know my son very well. He's very stubborn. But remember, I know he will never pick somebody's money. The money that does not belong to him, no, I know he will not do that. But all the same, I am still wondering. I am still wondering where he got such an amount of money.
Chief!
My permanent secretary, Sammy. This place, eh? This is my in-laws village. Anytime I come, I always spend time here drinking. You see, I want to take a caterpillar to break this place into pieces and build a new house for it so that my friend will know that this place is very good. You see, my very good friend, Pericoma of Iron this work. He told me, he talked to me, he said, Ogabuchi, you see, person is God to him, person. You know, you go to school, you does not know anything too much.
Chief.
Hey, look, sit down.
Chief, here is the money. I have tried everything possible, it's not working. So I said, let me bring back the money.
Took back the catch, took it back to your pocket. It does not need that catch. You see? I will even supply you another 50,000. Make it 100,000. And on top of it, I will give you 6, 7, 8 months. Go and work on this your man until this your man becomes my latest wives. Yes.
Chief, are you serious?
Chief Okanga does not talk nonsense. If Chief Okanga is serious, I would go to Borobe Hospital and took a bed in there and do my sickness. Sabi? Go and borrow his bicycle and give him 2,000 naira to take it by fuel. Chief Okanga does not talk nonsense.
Yes, Chief. Thank you very much, Chief. Look, there's a strategy I have now. A strategy I will use. Someone we must be coming.
Look again. Go to Chanja. Buy strategy. Use a strategy. Brought my wife to my house so that I can demolish my village. So that I can celebrate wife.
Thank you very much, Chief. Thank you.
Okanga. Chief Okanga must marry more wife. Yes, I does not play with my money. I'm a man of God.
It's been 8 months now. Almost not free to go back home. I hope you're saving me.
Yes, I am. I just got back from selling my palm wine in the market. For the past 8 months, all I do is go tap in the morning, go sell in the market, and then I come back to clear people's farmlands. And at night, I go hunting in the winter.
Yeah, that was very tedious.
Yes, it is. But what can I do? I don't feel it because I'm doing it for my life. It doesn't matter.
Anyway, that means there's hope of you paying back the loan that's at you, right?
Yes, there's hope. I'm saving for it. Isioma even promised to come and see me, so we can finish our jobs together.
I wish you the best. I need to go back.
Yeah. So you say you are ready to marry her now?
See, I want to pay her bride price. Now that she's in school and doing great, the teachers are coming left, right, center. I just want to make her my wife so that everybody will be at rest.
Is that what you want?
Yes, uncle. I want him to pay my bride price before I go back to school.
On my part, I will not oppose at all. To love each other. But you will do one thing for me. You will go to the community hospital. Go and meet Nurse Nkechi. And she will run tests on you. You know the test of HIV, genotype, AIDS, and all those other tests. And then, whatever the results are, once the results are okay, are you okay? Thank you.
You are going to be my son's wife. The genotype of Buchi and Isioma did not match. And so they can never get married to each other. Eh? So, you get ready to marry my son. Because as soon as my wife comes back from Oyibo, we will commence on the
Thank you so much, Papa.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey.
I have always loved this family with all of my heart. And Buchi with all of my soul, Papa. And I pray that one day he will love me back the way I love him too.
All of you. He, in fact, with all of you, I am going to show why I am the son of Oshiri. Listen, I do not want to set my eyes on that girl at all with my son, because she is a bag of misfortune.
Exactly, Papa.
You are the one that will be my son's wife. Listen, my son is not only going to marry you, but he's going to marry you very soon. Very, very fast.
Papa, you know, my father has opened a very big fashion boutique for myself, so that I can be able to make my own money, and there I can be able to support Buchi.
Can you see? You are progressive like your family. Eh? Your brother, your sister, your mother, everything about you is progression. Yes! In fact, you are going to marry my son. Final. Eh? No going back. No going back. Yes. Hey!
Oluma. Now I introduce to you Isioma's husband to be Chief Okanga. Okanwana Quest. Oh, he is here to see you.
Chief, no. Why are you slapping my husband?
It is not intentional. I'm used to it. It helps him to talk better. It's not intentional.
Well, never mind. Get inside the house and bring my Isioma. I come here prepared, ready for marriage. In fact, I loaded the money in this my motor jeep. Go and brought Isioma for me. I am ready for marriage. Yeah.
That Isioma is not around, that she went out. Yeah. But he can wait for you.
He will wait.
Let me go and get cola for you. I'm coming.
Where was she going to? To bring the food to Okanga. Eh? She never knows that I, Chief Okanga, that I ate my food in the motor plane flying upstairs. I does not eat food on the ground. Even the type of food I eat, it can build this house into 7. That's me. She does not know who I am.
Don't tell me that about you. I will not marry her. I will not marry her. I can never live with someone. She's the one I love.
What is wrong with you? Are you mad? Look, can you hear yourself? Look at your height! Look at your height, Buchi! And even your handsomeness, and yet you are not wise enough. You are not wise! I think I have given you too much space, and that is why you think you can never be curtailed. I am going to clip those wings. I will break it so that you will no more fly high. Yes!
Papa, it's my life and it's my love, not anyone's.
Look at you talking about love. Do you know what love is? It's not stupidity. Is it stupidity? Listen, it is not in my presence. You will marry that girl and bring her into this house so that she will bear you children that will become sickness. I do not want a wave of misery in my home. You have said your own. And I have said
I will not tell you who to marry, Papa. I did not tell you who to marry when you got married. Papa, you cannot tell me. I will not tell you will not tell me who to marry, Papa. You will not.
Hey! Puchi. Crying is not the solution to this problem. Eh? What is the solution is cash and marriage. Chap chap. You see? Because AS is AS and the AS is no-go area in marriage. But to me, I am AA. It is in my blood. AA, in my blood, I am strong. Even if in my unitary track, I have AA. Even in my own house, I have 13 children, and none of my children is sickle, not to talk of cell. So, please agree with me so that I can go to change the market and bring my people so that we spend cash. We spend cash in your family.
Listen to what that is the only way to
Kia.
Oh, Mama Kia. He and Ebere paid Oneka 50,000. He and Ebere paid Oneka 50,000 naira to do this. Ebere also paid Oneka to get her pregnant. And the next thing she did was to go to Buchi's house. She injected something into the orange she gave to Buchi. Buchi never slept with her. Buchi never slept. How come Buchi never slept with her? Buchi never slept with her. I knew all this, but I never told you. I'm sorry.
Sweetheart, all the love